Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. Before we get started, I have a question. Are you willing to pay over $3,200 for a Speedy 20? Besties, I could not stop laughing at the responses. But before we get started with this video, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have it out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay besties, I'm going to provide some updates first, and then we will move on to the Speedy 20 and the other items that are coming out in Reverse MoneyGram. First, I want to speak on this. I told you guys just a little bit in my stories and also on a YouTube post, this collection that I was absolutely in love with. I love the black leather, and the silver hardware with just a touch of monogram made this whole entire collection perfect in my eyes. This is the second time that the date has been pushed back. So usually when it's like this, guys, they are actually taking handbags away, and they are also creating more handbags, but I heard that it's the price. Okay, just a little birdie, I'm not sure, but this has now been pushed back. It was supposed to be released May 17th, now June 28th. I know a camera box was supposed to be released from this collection, and I think that is one of the handbags that they took off. As of right now, it's a Monsory backpack, the Atlantis MM. I thought it was supposed to be a PM, but this is going to be an Atlantis MM. Again, the Monsory backpack, I'm not sure what size. And we are also receiving a handbag. Let me go back to it, and I have my phone because this is where my notes are kept. And a sunset handbag. So just imagine the black leather, silver hardware with just a touch of monogram, coming out, releasing June 28th. As of right now, confirmed. Monsory backpack, not sure what size. Atlantis MM, not the PM, and the sunset handbag, not sure what size as well. But as I receive information, I will let you know. But when they are constantly moving launch dates back, it's either a change with the price or they are taking handbags away. But we will see influencers with this handbag pretty soon. I'm telling you guys now, just keep your eyes open. This is a collection that I actually am looking at myself. It just screams luxury, the silver hardware, and just a touch of monogram. And I'm speaking on the Atlantis handbag when I talk about what I'm interested in, okay? So for you guys that are asking, push back June 28th, so you still have time to get those coins together. The next update that I want to give you guys, the mini bum bag from the Sky Denim collection. If you received the email, guys, pre-orders were open, and you also could have pre-ordered previously with your CA. I see it floating around. Some people have already received theirs, and the vachetta strap to me is what is still in the show. Carefree, but I will still spray AppleGuard, guys. Be careful. It's summertime. I know you guys don't want to go on you're going to wear it, zoo, park, out and about. You guys know sweat is easily transferred to these straps, especially if you're wearing it around the waist. So please be careful. Oily fingers. Please just spray with AppleGuard if you want to keep your vachetta looking nice and new, and if you are planning to sell later in the future. But guys, you can honestly get this bag, this mini bun bag now. You do not have to wait on it to reach the website. I think it's still going to be available because a lot of people are not really interested in smaller handbags from what I am hearing, and I am honestly the same way now. But this whole entire Sky Denim collection is absolutely stunning. It is absolutely stunning. So if you are interested, guys, it's easy to get. Contact the CA. You can even walk in a store. I heard some people walk in a store, paid for theirs, guys, and they received it within 3 to 5 days. So it's easy to get right now. So why it's easy to get? If you're willing to pay for it, and it's not just a mini bum bag, any of the items from this collection you can get right now. Okay, so moving forward, let's talk about this $3,200 Speedy that's coming out. Yes, I am a reverse monogram lover. But when I speak on reverse monogram, I speak on these smaller monogram prints, which they are giving us, guys. But I do not want a Speedy 20 with additional gold hardware that makes the price go up even more. And this is what I am speaking on right here. This is going to be released, guys, pretty soon, okay? As of right now, guys, the dates are back and forth, but that price is most definitely over $3,000. As of right now, $3,250, and this is a Speedy 20. This is a Speedy 20. The black leather, they giving us what we want. We are asking for this, but we asked for a Speedy 25. But I love the Speedy 20 as well. But hey, this is what we asked for, a reverse monogram handbag without any animal faces. This is what we asked for. But we did not ask for the additional gold hardware. We don't want a Speedy 20 trunk, semi-trunk, okay? That's not what we asked for. So I'm pretty sure, guys, we are going to be hit on top of the head, over the head, on the side. The price right now is ridiculous. So that's why I asked you, would you be willing for the reverse monogram lovers, Carefree, black leather? I'm pretty sure it's going to have a black leather strap. But if they love us, they'll give us a monogram strap as well, especially with this price. Are you willing to pay over $3,200 for a Speedy 20? And also, let me add, guys, the Speedy 20, as you guys can see, they are giving us the extended zipper on this handbag. They are giving us the extended zipper, and for some reason they have a black leather tab right here at the front, which is adding more leather, so they are going up on the price just for that. The edges, we can protect the edges of our bags. We don't need the extra gold hardware. Now, I understand that they gave us, the studded gold feet at the bottom to protect the base, but giving us a Speedy trunk feel isn't needed. I love the black leather. I love the classic monogram print, guys. They did absolutely amazing on that. Reverse monogram, everything is perfect. I want to know, are we receiving a black leather strap, or are they going to bless us with a monogram strap? I will absolutely love and adore it. Please, on this beautiful handbag, do not add a black guitar strap. I'm not going for it at all. But as you guys can see, the gold studs, guys, that's extra money. All of that is extra. I told you the black leather tab here, all of that is extra. The extended zipper, extra. The gold hardware, all of that is extra, and they are going to put it in the price, guys, and that's why it's $3,200. But look at the size. Now, for me, I can fit my daily essentials. I just can't fit my notebook inside of a Speedy 20. But everything else, my mini pochette, guys, my card holder, my wallet, everything that I want, I can fit inside my Speedy 20. A lot of you guys say that the Speedy 20 is just too small. I totally get it, especially with it being that price, okay? So let me know how you feel. Would you still be willing, with all the extra gold goodies on this handbag, are you still willing to pay that price of $3,200? Again, it's still early. If they see that we are just throwing a fit about it, maybe they will lower the price just a little bit. But as of right now, guys, That's what it is. They are giving us black leather and all of the extra gold goodies. Extended zipper. Let me know how you feel. You are going to see this in so many different designs coming out lately, you know, coming out in a few more months. Here is the reverse monogram slim trunk. I already have issues with the side trunk, okay? It's hard for me to get items in and out. I love the design. I'm pretty sure this is going to be around the 3,000 range as well, because they are putting this gold hardware on these handbags, which is making the prices, guys, more expensive. LV know exactly what they are doing. They are making smaller handbags, adding more gold hardware, and they are feeling like that's making up for the space with these handbags, and it's not. I think it's very ridiculous. So we are receiving a reverse monogram slim trunk. The gold hardware is absolutely stunning. I'm loving the black leather. And the gold hardware, it does stand out, but I'm not liking how it's increasing the prices on these handbags. So let me know how you feel, especially about the Speedy 20. They should have made it a Speedy 25, and I honestly could go for that. Okay, I can understand that. It's a bigger handbag. You are adding gold hardware, black leather. I can understand that being $3,200, but this being a Speedy 20 and being around that price range, it's a no-no. But they did that with the Atlantis. Remember the reverse monogram Atlantis PM? They had it priced so high, guys. I'm pretty sure they heard about the complaints. They heard us complaining, and the price, it changed. So this is still quite early. I am hoping that the price change with this Speedy 20, because this is what I want. This is what I wanted. I've been asking for. Now we just need a never full. We need a mini pochette and a bum bag. The smaller monogram print. You guys been hearing this. We spoke this. We spoke that we need a Speedy 20. We didn't want the animal faces. This is what we want, okay? We are receiving, which I think is crazy, is a reverse monogram Matisse backpack. They are saying that the front is going to have the S-lock. Is going to kind of look like a pochette Matisse in the front, but it's going to be converted into a backpack, and it's going to be reverse monogram. I heard that the straps are supposed to be detachable, guys, adjustable, of course. I am very curious how this is going to look, because they took away the Palm Springs Mini reverse monogram backpack. So now we are receiving a Matisse backpack in reverse monogram with the S-lock on the front. We are also receiving, guys, oh my gosh, another Montessori backpack in monogram with Vachetta. It is going to be released in 3 different sizes as well. So here are the 3 different sizes, guys. Just get ready. August is going to be very full of backpacks. That's all I'm going to say. We are receiving a lot of backpacks. So let me know how you feel about these different items coming out, these different collections. Are you willing to pay $3,200 for this beautiful Speedy 20? That is the question I want to know. And if you are willing to pay that much for the Speedy 20 in reverse monogram, please tell me why. For me, it's a no. Yes, they are giving us everything. The extended zipper, the smaller monogram print, the black leather. I don't understand it. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I had to get this video out because I was super excited when I saw these pictures on last week, and I had to come and share. Let's chit chat in the comments as we always do. I want to hear how you guys feel, and please don't look for price increases anymore from LV. Don't look for them to announce them unless you just have a CA that's willing to tell you the inside scoop. They are just adding it in the prices. You won't hear how Chanel is having like how they have a 3% price increase, or how Fendi has a 2% price increase. You're not going to hear that from Louis Vuitton. You are just going to get the price, and that's it. Which for me, I think is very smart. Because it's like, it is what it is. This is what you are going to pay, and I don't care, basically. So again, let me know how you feel. Leave it in the comments. Let's chit chat. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.